Hello, hello, hello. Happy Monday and happy BOGO week. So I'm going to take a few minutes and just talk about some of the doTERRA offerings that we have this week. A couple times a year, doTERRA offers BOGOs, which is buy one, get one. So for any of you that have kind of been on the fence about natural options to matter your natural options to help with your health and wellness or emotional well-being, this is a really great opportunity to get started and jump in. So we're going to talk about some of the oils that are going to be offered this week. We know the buy one oils. What we don't know is the get one oils. So we know some of them are going to come out, and then the other ones are surprise oils that'll be shared throughout the week. So I just want to take a few minutes and share my screen, and we will talk about some of the great promotions during this BOGO week. Okay, so like I said, BOGO week runs this week. So it starts today. Today's the first day, and it runs through Saturday, July 24th. These are the oils that we know of. We've got Aroma Touch, Deep Blue, Immortelle, Adaptive Touch, Purify, and then tea tree oil comes free when you buy the BOGO box. So like I said, these are the oils that we know are the buy ones. Tea tree, just keep in mind, only comes free with the BOGO box, which I'll explain in just a minute. But then you'll receive an additional free 6 oils, surprise oils that'll be announced throughout the week. The best way to BOGO really is to buy the BOGO box. I love the BOGO box because you just kind of get everything, and it comes to you in this cute little box, and you are good to go for the entire week. If you are new or do not have a doTERRA account yet, really getting started with doTERRA is very easy this week, this way with the BOGO box. Keep in mind, BOGO boxes normally sell out on the first day, so today. So they're while supplies last. So if you are interested in a BOGO box, you're going to want to purchase it today. If you are new to doTERRA and interested in the BOGO box, again, today is the perfect day to purchase. So with the BOGO box, you get all of these oils up here that I've already outlined, plus an additional 6 free oils. If you're new to doTERRA, you also get your enrollment cover is waived, so there's no enrollment fee. You will also get $50 back in doTERRA products on whatever doTERRA products that you want, which is amazing. And then you'll also get 25% wholesale pricing for the entire year, and you get supportive community and support from me and a one-on-one consultation for me that is valued at $200. So it's a really, really great option. Okay, let's talk about the oils that we know that are in the BOGO box and that will be shared this week. So let's first talk about Adaptive Touch. Sorry, I got to take a sip here. So Adaptive Touch is awesome. It comes in a roller ball, and a roller ball basically just has a, just something that you roll on. So it's good to go. So Adaptive is amazing. It's known as the Calming Blend, and it contains wild orange, lavender, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, rosemary, neroli, sweet gum, and it's diluted with fractionated coconut oil. This is going to be really great, rolling on the back of your neck and on the pulse points to help create a calming sensation. You can use daily or as needed to help with anxious feelings, lack of confidence, or a racing mind. I don't know about you, but my mind is always going 120 miles an hour. And Adaptive is really nice to just kind of calm that and help me kind of hone in on what I need to focus on. You can roll this in the palm of your hands and inhale deeply. It really does provide some really nice, good grounding support for your emotions, physically and emotionally as well. So emotional support, this is known as the oil of adaptability, and it helps you feel reassured, calm, clear, confident, and provides you with some self-acceptance as well. I love Adaptive. There's a Adaptive line. It's a really, really lovely, lovely addition to our offerings. The next one is Aroma Touch, and this is one of my favorites. This is known as the Massage Blend. This contains cypress. So this is our Aroma Touch right here. So this contains cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit, and lavender. This is amazing. So this is going to help to calm your body, relaxing and releasing physical tension and pressure. You can apply it to your neck and shoulders and other areas to soothe discomfort or aches and pains. I love adding this to Epsom salt baths to help kind of relax and release tension that you might be accumulating. I love it pre and post workout as well, just to help with any kind of pain, inflammation, aches, anything like that. It's also really great for immune support. So diffuse when your body feels run down, apply to the bottoms of your feet to support immune function. Aroma Touch is a really, really nice blend. If you've got any kind of head tension or anything like that, literally just applying it here. I have been using it because I swim every day. So I do it on my mastoid bone, so on the back of my ear, and I just rub it down here because a lot of times you can get water or pressure in your ear and that can be painful. So this is something that I do preventatively for that. Emotionally, it's known as the oil of relaxation, and it helps you feel relaxed, balanced, flexible with an open mind and heart. Love this blend. You can use this aromatically and topically. The next one is Deep Blue, another one of my favorites, right? This is pretty much in my daily arsenal that I use every single day. This is also known as the Soothing Blend, and this contains wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang-ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus. So some really, really great oils in there to help soothe, to help relax, to help oxygenate, to help release tension. So this is something that you can apply onto your muscles before or after workout. Massage with a few drops of a carrier oil onto growing kids' legs, right? Who knows who's got kids that get those pains in the middle of the night, right? This is a really nice one, applied with a carrier oil or a lotion onto those legs. You can apply this onto your abdomen during your monthly cycle to help reduce discomfort. Apply topically with lotion. It's something that I love, and just kind of really work into your muscles. And like I said, I use this pre and post workout to help with oxygenation of muscles and soft tissue. Plus you get a really great aroma, energizing aroma when you use this. So because it has wintergreen and peppermint, those are excitatory oils, and they're really going to kind of wake your brain up. So when I put Deep Blue on before I work out, I'll put it on and then I cup it over my nose and I take deep breaths in, and it just opens the lungs, opens your senses, and you are ready to go for a great workout. It can also be used as well at the end of your workout when you're exhausted. So I use it then as well. Emotionally, this is the oil of surrendering pain. It helps you feel strengthened, accepting, soothed, and healed. It encourages cool and collective thinking, and it promotes emotional strength and serenity. Deep Blue is awesome. And again, another staple in our home. Immortelle. Okay, love, 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 love Immortelle. So this is also known as the anti-aging blend. This contains frankincense, sandalwood, lavender, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose. It is so lovely for your skin. I can't even say. What I love about Immortelle is that even though it comes in a roller ball, it is not diluted. This is straight oil. So what I actually love to do is I just take this and I'll put half of this in another roller ball and fill it up with fractionated coconut oil. And then I have 2 anti-aging blends that will last me a very long time. So you can apply this to your face, your neck, your hands to help improve the look of your skin with fine lines and wrinkles, age spots, stuff like that. You can apply to scars and stretch marks to help with the benefits of that. Put a drop on your hands and inhale to quiet the mind. And it also promotes the renewal of mind, body, and spirit. The oils that are in here, frankincense, for example, amazing for the skin, but it's also one that is anti-inflammatory. and one that also crosses the blood-brain barrier as well. So I love it for anything brain related as well. Lavender obviously is calming and soothing for your emotions, for your physical body, but also amazing for your skin. Myrrh, I mean, hello, myrrh is amazing for your skin as well. Used by Cleopatra. I use myrrh all the time. Very healing. Same thing with helichrysum and rose. So this is a powerhouse oil that can be used for so many different things. I personally have used Immortelle on all of the scars that I've had through my surgeries. So over the last couple of years, I've had many surgeries, which means many scars. So I use Immortelle. There's several other oils that I use as well, but Immortelle is going to be great to just apply on those scars to help that tissue heal. So this is a spectacular, wonderful blend for your skin and your mind. Okay, Purify. Love this in my laundry room. This is great. So this is known as the cleansing blend. And this contains lemon, Siberian fir, citronella, lime, tea tree, and cilantro. So it's very cleansing and purifying. So you could use this, mix it in a spray bottle and top it off with water to create a nice non-toxic natural cleanser. I personally love this for, I have all boys, right? So stinky shoes, stinky gym bag, stinky laundry. It will help to actually purify those odors and neutralize those odors. So anything stinky, this is great for. I love it to diffuse and freshen and cleanse and deodorize my home. So I'll do a couple drops of Purify, and then maybe I'll add some citrus oils like a wild orange or something like that to kind of lift it up. Tangerine, citrus bliss with Purify is really nice as well, just to give it a nice fresh aroma. I also love Purify during the change in season. So a lot of people struggle with, itchy eyes and itchy skin and stuff like that during the changing season. So diffusing Purify is really nice during that time. You can actually apply Purify to help to soothe skin irritations from bug bites or blemishes, which is really nice. And I personally love it. And I add it to my laundry. So my washer, I put it on dryer balls and my dryer. And again, I use it to clean all over the house. So this is a really lovely blend that can be used so many different ways. So those are the free blends, and then, or the blends that come in the box. Tea tree will come in the box if you order the BOGO box. I'm going to talk about this. Tea tree is also known as Melaleuca, and this is just a staple oil because you can literally use it for anything. If I was stranded on a desert island, tea tree would be one of the ones that I would take with me. So tea tree can be used aromatically, topically, internally. It is great for immune support, skin issues, helping with recovery from cuts and scrapes. It's great for non-toxic cleaning and wonderful for your hair, skin, and nails. So literally you can use it for so many different things. So when you feel under the weather, you can take tea tree oil internally, apply it topically, or diffuse it as well. It's great for non-toxic cleaning spray, especially again for things that are stinky. Perfect for athletes who have sweaty feet, right? You can use this and spray this on your feet to help keep your feet healthy. Rubbing it on the backs of the ears for any ear discomfort. So this is for kids that may suffer from chronic ear pain or anything like that. Again, this is one I use preventatively as well every now and again when I may be having, water in my ear, anything from swimming. It helps to keep your skin, nails, and hair clean and healthy looking. So a couple drops of tea tree in your shampoo rubbed in your scalp is going to be really nourishing to your scalp. Some tea tree with a little bit of lotion on your cuticles, again, very nourishing for your cuticles and your nails. And then just right on your skin. It's actually great for blemishes, but it's also nice for keeping your skin clear and clean and lovely. Emotional support. So this is the oil of energetic boundaries. Tea tree can help clear negativity. It encourages healthy boundaries and it helps you feel empowered and safe. And I love it with bergamot, lavender, peppermint, rosemary. So some of the ones that I use that with. Okay, so again, let's talk about this. So if you do not have your own doTERRA account, this is a really, really great way to get started, right? If you have been thinking about natural options, or you're looking for more non-toxic options to bring into your home, bring into your family, and you've just been kind of waiting, this is a really great way to get started, because you're going to get these amazing oils that I've already talked about, plus 6 additional ones for free. You're going to get your doTERRA membership fee included in that, so you don't have to pay anything extra. You'll get wholesale pricing for the next year. That's 25% off retail, which is awesome. You'll have access to monthly deals, and you get support and education from me and from our community, which is a real huge benefit. And then any new member that comes in, you will get a consultation from me, which is valued at $200. So again, this is while supplies last. So if you're interested in this, please be sure to reach out today if possible, because like I said, they're while supplies last. A few BOGO buying tips. So if you already have your own doTERRA account, you can go on and you can place your own order. So here's just a couple of tips for you if you already have a doTERRA account. So BOGOs last for only 1 day. So make sure that you're purchasing the BOGO. So today's BOGO is the BOGO Box. And then Tuesday through Saturday, it will be a new oil that comes out every day. If you're interested in one of those oils, go into your LRP, add the oil, and then the free one will pop up automatically, but it has to be within that day. So before midnight Central Time. You can use your LRP cart for every BOGO order, which means you'll receive points. You just have to edit your cart every day. And then when checking out, add the buy items in your cart, like I said, and the free item will pop up later, okay? Any help, just reach out. And a few BOGO tips, just if going over one more time, if you have your own account, this is what you will need to do specifically. So if anybody wants to screenshot this, feel free to do that so you know exactly what to do. All right. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Those are the BOGOs that we know of this week. 6 ones, the 6 free ones I don't know of, but again, for you guys that are looking for natural options, and maybe you don't know where to start, or maybe you've seen all of this stuff and you're like, I don't know what to do. And even if I did buy it, I wouldn't know what to do with it. That's what I'm here for. That's what we're here for. And we will support you in this entire process, right? When I started, 7, 8 years ago, whatever it was, I knew zero. All I knew is it helped my child. That's all I knew. And then I wanted to learn more. And that's how I got started with this. So it's going to be a great week. We love BOGO week, and we look forward to continuing to educate you throughout the week on all of the different products that are going to be coming out, the free products that will be coming out this week. Any questions, we're here to support you. Just reach out. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a really great week. All right. Take care.